you for reaching out. My name is Jay Balondo and I will be sharing with you Unified Payment Center. Ang ating payment center ay minamanage ng ating kumpanyang Unified Products and Services. Ano nga ba ang may offer ni Unified Payment Center? Aside from world-class products that we have, such as Acai Berry, barley juice, iron napkin, and many more, we have services na talaga namang mapapawaw ka sa ating mga ino-offer. We have remittance. By the way, ang pangalan ng ating e-wallet ay eCash. Pag sinabing remittance, meron tayong dalawang category. We have sending and payout. Pag sinabing sending, ito po ay nanggagaling sa e-wallet natin papunta sa kaparehas na e-wallet or papunta sa ibang platform. Tulad ng eCash to eCash, eCash to Smart Padala, eCash to Maya, eCash to Cebuana, eCash to Western Union, eCash to Cash Card, eCash to GCash. At meron din tayong eCash to Credit to Bank. We have a lot of choices to transact. Isang service pa lang po ito. Then, we have payout. Ito naman ay maaring nanggaling sa eCash natin or sa ibang platform. Kung kanina ay yung sending papalabas, ito naman ngayon ay papasok. We have eCash to eCash, Smart Padala to eCash, PayMaya to eCash, Cebuana to eCash, Western Union to eCash, and also we accept international remittance through iRemit. Yan yung ating remittance. Next, we have bills payment. Meron tayong utilities, government, insurance, telecom, airlines, credit card, at marami pang iba. And good to note, tayo po ay partnered with Bayad Center na merong more than 1,500 merchant. Kaya wow na wow yung ating system. Next, we have e-loading. Meron tayong local and international. For local, lahat ng provider naglo-load tayo kagaya ng Smart, Globe, Kuryente Load, Signal, including yung ating mga pang-games kagaya ng Garena, Level Up, at marami pang iba. For international, we have Singtel, Salik, Vodafone, Etisalat, Red, StarHub, at marami pa pong iba. Then, we have ticketing. Meron tayong domestic and international airlines, including shipping sa mga barko. This is for Manila and Cebu. Meron din tayong travel and tours and hotel booking. Just imagine, bigla kang magkakaroon ng travel agency sa pamamagitan ng ating system. How is that? And last but not the least, meron tayong insurance. Partner natin si FPG, Malayan Insurance, and MaxiCare. Kaya ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Be our franchisee and start to earn more. Now, to know more about this business and rates, you may contact the numbers on the screen. Aasahan ko po ang iyong tawag. Jay Balondo po, your sales manager. Maraming salamat po.